All right, we are going to solve here this linear equation. And to solve a linear equation, we have our 4 steps. And let's go ahead and start with the first one, distribute. So do we have to distribute here? Yes, we do. And this -5 is going to distribute and multiply -5 times a and -5 times 1. Okay, now be very careful. This is tricky. Some students want to just look at this and put that together, but you can't do that. Order of operations tells you that you have to multiply before you add or subtract, so you would get the wrong answer. So follow these 4 steps right here. Step 1, distribute. -5 times a is -5a, and -5 times 1 is -5. Everything else comes down. The 2 drops down, the equals drops down, and then this is 9 plus a. I try to put a little tail on my a so I don't get it confused with a 9. Step 1, done, distribute. Step 2, combine like terms. That means when I look on the left side, do I have any terms to combine? Yes, I do. 2 minus 5. So 2 minus 5 will give me a -3. -3 minus 5a equals 9 plus a. Do I have any like terms to combine over here? No, I don't. So we have combined our like terms. And now let's get our variables to the same side. So I have a's on the left and a's on the right. I want to get them both to the same side. Now, it doesn't matter what side you go to. Some people always like to go to the left, but I like to move the smallest variable. Okay, that way you always end up with a positive. Now, when you look at this, this is a -5a, and over here it's a plus 1a. A positive 1 is larger than a -5a. Okay, on the number line, 1 would be here, -5 would be here. Whatever's on the right side is larger. So if I want to move the smaller a, I need to move the -5a. And in order to do that, I'm going to add 5a to the left side of the equal sign, and I'm going to add 5a to the right side of the equal sign. So on the left, all I have left is this -3 equals, okay, this is 0, so I don't need to put it, equals 9 plus, now remember this is 1a plus 5a. 1a plus 5a will give me 6a. Are all of my variables on the same side? Yes, they are. All of my a's are over here now. No a's over here. Last step, isolate the variable. Here is that grumpy old a. He wants to be all by himself. I need to get rid of the 6 and I need to get rid of the 9. I'm going to get rid of the farthest one first. So to get rid of the 9, I am going to subtract 9. So that'll be gone. And if I subtract 9 from the right side of the equal sign, I have to subtract 9 from the left side of the equal sign. All right, let's go down. -3 minus 9, -12. Okay, both of them going in the negative direction. On the right-hand side, I just bring down my 6a. And one more step to isolate this grumpy old a. This is 6 times a, so to get rid of multiplication, I need to divide. Divide the right side of the equal sign by 6. Divide the left side of the equal sign by 6. 6 over 6 reduces down to 1. So that's 1a over here. And on the left, -12 over 6 is -2. And that is our answer. -2 equals 1a. If you want to flip it around the other way, you could write it like this. You could say a equals -2. We don't need that 1 as our coefficient. These are both the same thing. And that's our answer. A is -2.